aitagwo Mary Wangoi. I really laughed. I never knew you were missed this much until my husband asked me last night in bed. I was like, guy, in here, at the Moromele, I'm more like a metro. Then I got to me, I go to him. I can't do it. You must be kidding me. They got support the Indian. I was supporting it. And then I took a mobile to show you in waku atuike taroja atuike tathemba tondoro wathikiriria tukaona kanyamu tuguike kanwa koguo nini ndimutite muno Godwife na mutikararami wauga aretwo Mary Wangoi ni ndago celebrate muthuri wake amuririe aingiria aranjira I never knew you were missed this much when the shabiki no maybe not too deep
yes
until my husband asked me last night in bed kururera in bed I was like, guy ashoka ikira lavae I love you right back na ndira mwera terere wetiga ngoma huyo ni darling I'm already in love with him hata kama simjui so wazee wanaitangwa Mr. wakina Mrs. pia nyinyi good morning to TV tumia mare hire
kai mudoro kurakoreria metoro. That's not a joke. Kwa kisu kilwedo.
Amutumia cio ni ari agabagara.
Ne ayo gabagara mutumia cio ni agegenia na muthuri ucio ona muthuri wake muno makeria.
Othe thikiririe.
Muthoni wa Keruba ni erite Godwife metekeria athuri ao mamathikagiririe niguo mone kanyamu mangikia muhuko. Ni thutha wa shabiki umwe uikaine ta Mary Wangoi kumwira ati ndaroi arari mumisi uguo until muthuri wake riria aramuririe metoro kana wa Keruba ni acokire. Hau niho amenyire wa Keruba ni mwende muno na wa Keruba ndanakimuma uguo augire akumu celebrate na kavagara na riu kwa mashabiki magiukite comment section. Phyllis niaugite wa Keruba you have a good heart ndio maana unapendwa. Nake Maureen niashagiria kauga my child asked me the same on Sunday night. Nake Wanji Blessed niashagira na love emojis na kauga we tatunyang'anya wazee wewe. Nake Messi niashagile na love emojis na kauga tunakupenda sana wa Keruba.